Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Friday morning and I was home alone last night, so I stayed up pretty late eating chips, and this morning I woke up feeling kind of like not great because I was up so late last night, and yeah, I was just watching TV, scrolling on my phone. I didn't read my book at all. So this morning I'm going to A, clean up the kitchen from last night and yesterday, and B, I think I'm gonna do a Pilates class and take the dog on WALK once it's a little bit more clear out, because it's been freezing rain all morning, and the reason I was home alone is because Steve had an appointment this morning, and rather than driving through the freezing rain, he went the night before and stayed over for the appointment. So that being said, let's clean up the kitchen today. Again, it's Friday, so I'm so excited for the weekend. Tomorrow morning I have a couple of classes online, but other than that, the whole weekend I'm just going to spend A, preparing my taxes, and B, just like relaxing, rejuvenating, and enjoying the last tail end of March break. So let's clean up the kitchen and then we'll do a Pilates class. Okay, we're going to make the bed and then deal with this load of laundry because I still haven't folded it and put it away. So we're gonna make the bed first. As you can see, when Steve's away, I literally just stay on one side of the bed and I don't move. So we're gonna make the bed, some laundry, and put it away. Should be relatively easy. I should be able to just yank the sheets onto one side, retuck them in to the other side. I mean, I have to adjust it a little bit, but I'm gonna throw another load of laundry in so that by the time I teach this evening, I will have done most of my chores for the weekend. Not only do we have all that laundry to fold and put away, I got pretty behind in folding and putting away my laundry, so I also have this entire hamper. So I'm gonna spend the next probably 30 minutes dealing with all this and putting it away. That's the biggest feat to get over, folding and putting it away. It's easy to do laundry, but it's not easy to fold it and put it away. Done putting the laundry away, and didn't take as long as I thought it would, but I am going to do a Pilates class. I felt really good the other day doing a class. It was a 35-minute Pilates class, so I'm gonna do one that's kind of similar. My body moving and to make myself feel ready for the day. I just love moving first thing in the morning. It's not first thing in the morning, it's like maybe fourth thing in the morning, but we're gonna do a Pilates class. Fluff up the bed a little bit. Also, I got a bunch of bath bombs from the Rustic Tub. You guys know I love the Rustic Tub, and I did a bath bomb the other night, and look at what was inside of it. They do this cute thing where they put like 3D printed things that they make as well inside the bath bomb, and this one's a little bug. How cute is that? Usually I have some dragons. They're famous dragon eggs. I also have some unicorns that are downstairs, and these are my favorite little fidget toys, and I'm quite an anxious person, for example, at the dentist and like things like that. So I always take these with me to kind of like fidget with. So I'm happy to have another one. The little bug is just so cute. On that note, I'm gonna get changed and then do it. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I did not get up to what I said I was going to get up to yesterday. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do Pilates class and be so productive. No, Steve came home early from his appointment, so I just hung out with him. Then I had my own appointments online. So last night we were just kind of chilling and watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I had a nice bubble bath, read a little bit of Air of Fire, and it's Saturday right now. It is Saturday, 2 p.m. I just finished a workout at the gym. I actually paused my membership just because I feel like, even though I signed up for the gym, A, money's tight these days, and B, I don't use it enough to justify paying for it. So I was like, I'm just gonna put it on pause for a month, see if I end up using it more, and if I do, like, sure, I'll stay, but if I don't, this is going to have to be something that I don't do anymore. I'm also gonna use this touch mist hand sanitizer. But yeah, I feel like I never go because I was sick a few weeks ago, and then like just life happened, and I feel like summer's going to be very busy. And even though I still want to exercise and feel and look my best for the wedding, that's a far ways away, A, and B, I can do that on my own time at home in my own space, and I'm way more comfortable doing home workouts personally. It is nice to go out to the gym, but like me and Steve's, our schedules don't really align, so I don't get to go with anybody usually, so it's not as fun. That being said, I'm gonna go home and shower. I was gonna go shopping, but I forgot to change clothes, and I hate wearing stinky, sweaty clothes out. Like, I'm even gonna take this jacket off because I'm just so boiling. And it's that weird temperature right now. It's kind of spring, but kind of not. You guys can see the snow in the back. It's just like yucky and gross, but it's 3 degrees, so it's too warm in the car to be wearing a jacket, but it's also too cold outside to not be wearing something. And I'm sweaty, and that's the worst feeling when you're trying to not overheat, but also not get cold. So anyways, let's go home. We got a Starbucks Grande Iced Lavender Cream Matcha with oat milk. First one of the season. I love this drink. It's my favorite, but I'm going to stop in at the grocery store and just pick up a salad for tonight. Maybe some extra bits and bobs. And yeah, catch you guys in a bit. I also need to pick up eggs because I want to bake more brownies. Okay guys, I know I look crazy right now with my hair in a towel. I just got out of the shower, my hair's still wet, but I didn't like this dress at first, and then I put this on top and I was like, wait, I got this from Winners because I couldn't resist. Are you kidding? I feel like Florence and the Machine. I particularly bought this sweater thing to wear to Florence and the Machine. Are you kidding? This is the most witchy, beautiful fairy core thing ever. And it looks so good with a halter. Like, do I wear this to Florence and the Machine? I don't think so, because it's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna wear like a long skirt. But like, I'm kind of obsessed with this look. This is kind of everything. I know, again, with the towel, it's ridiculous, but I love this thing. This is all from Winners. Not a single fruit in sight. I guess orange juice.
We could cut stuff up too.
Yeah, I have grapes.
Now we have fruit.
Yes. We got some Greek salad, some roasted, I forget the name of this kind of sweet potato, but it's like a Japanese sweet potato, broccoli, some rigatoni with vodka sauce, and tofu seasoned with butter and garlic herb stuff. Yum. Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. We are sitting on the floor here trying to get our hair done because I'm going to record a workout. It's been a while, but I figured those videos are videos that a lot of people are enjoying, which I love to see people reposting it on like TikTok and Instagram and stuff. So I was like, you know what? I have some free time this morning and I'm used to being pretty productive during the day since it was March break last week and I had a lot of lessons during the week. But since it's no longer March break, I'm back to my regular schmegular work schedule, meaning I'm working in the evening. So I was like, how can I make my mornings more productive? Because that was one thing I really wanted to do this year. I wanted to make my mornings more productive because last year at this time I was in school. So obviously I was being productive, but I was in school. So I had to be, because I had to make sure that my schoolwork was done before I headed to work. So I woke up this morning. It is currently 10 a.m. now, and I'm going to record a video. And then after that, I'll probably do a ballet class because I'm already dressed in like leotard. And that's pretty much it. A leotard and my studio pants from Lululemon. I also want to go through my closet at some point this week and find pieces that either I want to donate, give away, or sell. Like I have some brand new dresses that I'm like, I'm sure someone else could use these. So anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of makeup before I record a video. So the weekend was actually really chill, which I love because I know this coming weekend I will be working and covering for someone, and the weekend after that, I think the weekend after that is actually Easter. So I don't know what our plans are then, but it was nice to have a weekend at home just to like relax and clean up the house, catch up on chores. And I did work on the weekend as well. I did teach online Saturday morning, but other than that, as you saw, I went to the gym and then I went shopping. I bought that dress and the little, I don't even know what to call that, but the like sweater kind of thing. I got that for Florence and the Machine, which I'm so excited to go to. I'm going in like 3 weeks. I think it's happening, 3 or 4 weeks. I'm going April 16th in Toronto. It'll be so much fun. I'm going with my friend and her husband and our other friend. So we're gonna really have a lot of fun. Steve's staying home with the dog. Anyways, we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner too. I don't really know what kind of video I want to record. I know I want to do like a workout video or a ballet tutorial. Ideally, I was going to do like a foot exercise video, like a foot tutorial, not a foot tutorial, but you know what I mean, like for ballet, like, you know, to improve your arches or whatever. But if I'm gonna do an audio one where I'm actually talking to the camera like this, A, it sounds better when I'm closer to the camera. B, if I'm not closer to the camera, I need my microphone, but I cannot find the little plug-in that goes to my phone of my microphone. That's another reason I need to clean up the house a little bit more because I am missing that plug-in, and I have that wireless mic that I've used a couple of times in my vlogs, as you guys know, and in my workout videos. But like I said, it is missing. So I'm not gonna do like a workout video where I'm talking. I'm just gonna do a voiceover on top since I can't find the plug-in for my wireless mic. And I have a plug-in for my computer for microphones, so I'll just do it like that. But anyways, that's not interesting to you guys. What is interesting, however, is maybe wedding planning. So fun thing that we're doing the weekend of April 11th, we are going to do a food tasting at our venue, and we're actually going to stay over, which is going to be really, really fun, like a little staycation getaway, still in Ontario, but I'm really excited to take you guys with me and like show you guys. It is like a whole social thing with the other couples who are getting married that year. So it'll be fun to kind of, you know, pick the brains of other couples that are getting married, but also, you know, try out the food and drinks that could be at our own wedding. So, you know, I'm very excited. I'm also very excited for the summer because we've got some travel plans. We're going to Montreal this summer. If you guys are watching from Montreal, please let me know things to do. We're only there for like a day and a half because the first day that we're going there, it's a travel day and we get in at like midnight. We ended up doing the 6 o'clock train, and then the next day we're there for the whole day, and then I'm at the Ariana Grande concert that evening, and then we leave the following morning. So we don't have that much time in Montreal itself, but please let me know if you are in Montreal or if you've ever been, like what good restaurants are there? Like what should I be doing? Where should I go? Let me know. I've never been to Montreal. I think I went once a long time ago. Actually, I don't think I have been to Montreal now that I think of it. I think we went to Quebec, like Quebec City. All right, that is good enough for recording a video. I got this weird cowlick lately. I don't know what to do about it, but that's the look and the outfit. And I'll catch you guys when I put on my pointe shoes and do a pointe class because I can't find my ballet shoes and I need to purchase some new ones. But this is the final look for recording the workout video. Okay, my friends, we are done recording videos for the YouTubes and the TikToks and the Instagrams. So we're gonna put on some pointe shoes and do a little bit of a pointe class. And I mean little bit, truly, because I want to go make dinner. I mean lunch. It's not dinner time, obviously. But I'm just gonna throw on these pointe shoes, like I said, do a pointe class. I recorded a turnout kind of video for YouTube. Like I mentioned before, I know a lot of people really like tutorials and workouts and follow along videos, and those are the ones that I've been neglecting lately. So I did one for YouTube that'll be out tomorrow. I'll try to edit it and have it out by tomorrow or even the day after. And now I'm just going to do pointe until I have lunch. Yes, I do need new pointe shoes, but no, I haven't had the chance to go get them. I do have a gift card to the shoe room. However, because the shoes that I wear now, I haven't bought in a few years, they've changed the, what should I call it? The formula, the fit. So I called the shoe room and I was like, yo, can I just buy the same shoes I bought before? And they're like, they don't exist because it's an entirely new brand almost. It's not actually, but Gaynor Minden doesn't manufacture in the States anymore or in Russia. I don't know the details, but basically they changed where they manufacture and the shoes are quite different. So they basically told me I have to go in person to try them on. And because it's been winter, I have not wanted to do that. So we are here now wearing the super old shoes, which is totally fine. But until I have time to go to Toronto and until it's not snowing and gross out, we're wearing these, the rage bait shoes that nobody likes. That was dramatic, but it's true.